Hi guys, how are you? As you can see, this mobile Walton F8S, and this mobile FRP bypass problem. So I want to remove this FRP. First of all, you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot, and uh, and then as you can see, verify your account. But I don't remember this Gmail, so I want to remove this FRP bypass Google account. So first of all, remove this backside and insert any sim in this mobile. As you can see, this mobile Walton F8S, and insert sim and then connect backside. After that, go back and home page. So now click emergency call and use two finger emergency information. After that, click on pencil and add contact. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. So it's working now. As I connect sim, do it. So now guys, contact number is shown now, and then click any contact for add and click profile contact. After that, click on three dot and share it. So now guys, hold on message, and after that, app information. After that, scroll down SMS app and then open links. After that, scroll down last in YouTube, click on YouTube icon and app notification, additional settings. After that guys, you have to scroll down and about it, YouTube terms of service. As you can see, Chrome browser is open now, and accept and continue it. No thanks. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. And so now guys, you have to search this link, frpfile.com. /bypass and search it. So now do it, and then guys, you have to scroll down. You have to download two application. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8 and continue, allow it, and okay. Next guys, you have to download bypass FRP 1.0 APK and okay. Now guys, click on three dot and go download tabs. After that, you have to, as you can see, there are two applications are downloading. First of all, install Google Account Manager. As you can see, it is downloading now. When it's complete, then install it. Now install Google Account Manager and then installing now, and then do it. After that guys, you have to click done. As you can see, now you have to install bypass FRP. Install it, do it. Now guys, open this APK and then click on three dot, browse sign in, and okay. Now you have to enter your Gmail account. As you can see in this interface, enter your Gmail account. When you enter your Gmail, then click next it and then input your password. When you input password, then click sign in. Signing now. Now guys, you have to restart your mobile. Press power button and restart it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Now guys, you have to click start it, and just a second, do wait, escape it and continue. Just a second, after that not now, and escape anyway and scroll down. After that accept it. Just a second. So guys, FRP bypass is smooth now, as you can see. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. FRP bypass Google account verification is complete, and if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now I'm going to next videos. Bye, be back later, see you and take care.